Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only reliable method to edit always on display on One UI 6. 1. First, confirm your phone is running Samsung One UI 6. 1 and unlocked. Open Settings and navigate to Lock Screen. Enable Always on Display if it is off. If you need more customization, install Samsung Clock Face or Good Lock modules from the Galaxy Store. Those apps provide extra clock styles and layout controls that the basic settings do not expose on many devices. Open Settings, tap Lock Screen, and select Always on Display to begin editing. Tap Clock Style to pick analog or digital templates and change color. To use a custom image, open the Clock Face app and select Images or upload a photo. If you need widget placement or more layout control, open Good Lock and install Lockstar. Use Lockstar to move elements and save a custom lock screen profile that also affects always-on-display behavior. For best results, prepare images sized roughly 1080 x 2400 pixels for your phone display. In Clock Face, set image opacity near 50% so clock elements remain readable. Grant required permissions and exempt Clock Face or Good Lock from battery optimization for consistent updates. After customizing colors, font, and widget positions, tap Save to store your template. You can export or reuse templates in Clock Face or Lockstar to restore or apply the same always-on-display layout later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.